Okay, good afternoon all. Uh, so today we will continue the last problem. I think we have reached up to the step 2. So step 1 was the properties of section. So ISA 110 by 110 by 10 mm we have used, and AG is 2104 or 6. mm square, and RVV is equal to 21.4 mm. So this was the step 2 we have seen, and this is the step 2 is the calculate equivalent slenderness ratio. Equivalent slenderness ratio, that is lambda e. Uh, Actually, roll number 56, division A. He's asking me about can you mention the page number from which we get RVV and AG. So RVV and AG. Uh, so which IS code you sorry, which till table you are using? Whatever I have sent, that means Birla. So exactly I don't know on which page that RVV and AG is there. So anyone can tell me the on page number, which page number this section is available? 110 by 110 by 10. Anyone can tell me this section is available on which page? Page number 4 to 5. Uh, 4 and 5 page number. 4 and 5 page number. Birla. Steel table by Birla, 4-5 page number. So you can see this IS first, this angle section 110 by 110 by 10. See first this IS angle section, then see the properties of 2106 or 4 here, 2104 or 2106. And then 21.4 mm is the RVV value. So then lambda e is equal to under root of K1 plus K2, K1 plus K2 into lambda VV square plus K3 into lambda phi square. So we got the value of K1, K2, K3. So K1 is equal to 1.25, K2 is equal to 0.5, and K3 is equal to 60. Same, we have calculated lambda VV. So lambda VV is the L divided by RVV divided by epsilon under root of pi square E divided by 250. So here L is the 2500, RVV is the 21.4 divided by epsilon is 1, because epsilon is equal to under root of 250 divided by fy. So value of fy is 250. 250 is 1. So here 1 into pi square into 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 250. So so the lambda vv is the, we got lambda vv value is 1.314. Okay, so last lecture we have seen this much part. Last lecture we have seen this much part. Uh, this is okay. Now we have to find out the lambda vv, lambda phi here. Now lambda vv will get we get that is 1.314. Then lambda phi. So how to calculate lambda phi? So b1 plus b2 divided by 2t divided by epsilon under root of pi square e divided by 250. So here b1 plus b2. So what is b1 and b2? Anyone can tell me what is b1 and b2? Yes, first we have seen the procedure in last lecture. So you can go in the procedure. What is b1 and b2? Please
110 and 110.
110 and 110 means these are the two legs of the angle. So b1 is the one leg and b2 is the another leg. So these are the two legs of the angle. So here 110 by 110 is the angle size. 110 by 110 चा angle आहे. So divided by 2 into t. T is the thickness. Thickness of angle is 10 divided by, again epsilon is 1 into same pi square into 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 250. So how much is the lambda phi? Do the calculations. 220 divided by here 20, and this is the, how much is lambda phi? आहेत का जागे सगळे का झोपले?
Zero point 124.
0.124 maybe correct. 0.124. Okay, so we got the k1, k2, k3, lambda vv and lambda phi. So we can calculate the lambda e. So see, calculate lambda e. Lambda e is equal to under root of k1. How much value of k1? K1 is 1.25 plus k2. K2 is 0.5 into lambda vv square. Value of lambda vv is 1.314 square plus k3. K3 is 60. 60 into lambda phi square 0.124 square. So calculate lambda e.
1.74.
1.74. 1.
2.
2. 1.742. Okay. The slenderness ratio have no unit. So 1.742 is the value. Okay. So we got the lambda e value. Hello. तुम्ही सकाळी मी फोन केला तुम्हाला, तुमचा फोनच लागला नाही. हां. 3 दिवसाची स्ट्रेंथ आली काल, 7 दिवसाला. म्हणजे 20-21 असे स्ट्रेंथ आले, जिथे की 3 दिवसाला 23 यायला पाहिजे. काल तेवढे आले 7 दिवसाला. आता कसं आहे माहितीये का, तुम्ही एकदा कंपनीला फक्त ह्या कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह स्ट्रेंथ साठी विचारून बघा. काय रिपोर्ट नाही, काय रिपोर्ट तयार करतो मी आज. केलाय मी सकाळी सॉफ्ट कॉपीत. सह्या व्हायला वेळ लागेल थोडा, प्राचार्य नाहीत आज. मग 50% आले कॉम्प्रेसिव्हची. पण आता हे तुम्हाला मी त्या दिवशी बोललो ते हे व्हेरिएबल्स होत आहेत तेवढेच. आपल्या नॅचरल सँड आपण वापरतोय आणि okay, sorry for disturbance. We got the lambda e value. Now next step number 3. What is step number 3? Step number 3 is the calculate design compressive stress. Design compressive stress. Calculate design compressive stress. The design compressive stress is nothing but FCD. FCD is nothing but design compressive stress. So here D is the design, C is the compressive, and F is nothing but the stress. FCD is the design compressive stress. So for the design compressive stress, Fy divided by gamma m naught divided by 5 plus under root of phi square minus lambda e square. So here the only phi is the unknown. in the FCD formula means compressive stress. In the design compressive stress, the only phi is unknown, so we will calculate first phi. So the formula phi for phi is equal to 0.51 plus alpha into lambda e minus 0.2 plus lambda e square. Correct? Okay. Now here alpha is the unknown. So how to calculate alpha? We have seen in the procedure. Can you tell me? See the procedure. Yesterday we have seen the procedure. See the procedure we have seen in the last lecture. How to calculate alpha? So we have to go on the page number. Which page number?
35.
35. Go on the page number 35. So from IS 800 2007, page number 35, alpha is equal to okay. So I have told you alpha value. How to find out alpha value? कशी find out करतो आपण alpha value? So here we have to write down everyone. For angle section, buckling class, buckling class is C. For angle section, buckling class is C. So alpha is equal to 0.49 for buckling class C. पेज नंबर 35 वरती बघा एक छोटा टेबल दिलेला आहे. बकलिंग क्लास दिलेत वरती ABCD. Go on the page. Imperfection factor alpha is nothing but imperfection factor. So go on the page number 35 IS 800 2007. There they have written the table imperfection factor. So buckling class ABCD. So for angle section always buckling class, here right, buckling class is there. So for angle section buckling class is C. Always for angle section buckling class is C. So alpha is equal to 0.49 for C class. That is given in the table. Everyone got it? This step, how to calculate the value or find the value of alpha. How to find value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 0.49. कशी आपण find out केली? तर page number 35 IS 800 2007 page 35 they have given table. So for angle section buckling class is C. That statement is very important. For angle section buckling class is C always. आणि हे कुठं दिलंय तर पेज नंबर 44 वरती दिलेलं आहे. अँगल सेक्शन साठी बकलिंग क्लास कोणता आहे? सी आहे. आपण थिअरी मध्ये पाहिलं लास्ट लेक्चरला की हा सी बकलिंग क्लास अँगल साठी आहे. दॅट गिवन इन दी पेज नंबर 44. So for C buckling class alpha is equal to 0.49. Are you getting? Everyone please got it? This alpha is equal to 0.49 for buckling class C. Okay. Now put the value of alpha. So phi is equal to now 0.5 in bracket 1 plus alpha is now 0.49 in bracket lambda e. So lambda is 1742 square, sorry 2 minus 0.2 bracket complete, plus lambda e square 1.742 square. So calculate phi. Phi is equal to
2.395.
2.395 is the value of phi. Please everyone do the calculations. Don't write or don't copy whatever I am writing here or someone is telling. So you do the calculations. तुम्ही जर स्वतः कॅल्क्युलेशन केली नाही तर एक्झाम मध्ये खूप डिफिकल्टी आहे. You have to do own calculations. Okay, so we got the phi. Now we can calculate the FCD. So FCD is equal to, the formula is Fy divided by gamma m naught divided by phi, phi plus under root of phi square minus lambda e square. Okay, now here Fy is 250 divided by gamma m1 is 1.1 divided by phi is 2.395 plus under root of phi square 2.395 square minus lambda e square 1.742 square. So calculate the value of FCD. Everyone do the calculation.
$42.56.
42.
56.27.
Correct. 56.27. Please do the calculations properly. 56.27. Now this is the stress, means here unit design compressive stress is there. So here unit is unit for stress,
Newton per mm square.
Newton per mm square. का किलोमीटर का एकर. कोण सांगेल का स्ट्रेस युनिट काय आहे? Others, is this correct? Newton per mm square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got the design compressive stress. Next last step number 4. Please unmute. After given the answer, you please ensure you have muted you. Calculate design compressive strength. What is step number 4? Calculate design compressive strength. Strength, or we call as a force. So design compressive strength is nothing but PD. Design, D is the nothing but design and P is nothing but the force. So design compressive strength or force is equal to, what is formula? FCD into AG. So how much FCD is there? 56.27 into gross area. How much gross area? 2104 or 6?
6.
2106. Now tell me how much.
118.51 kilonewton.
118.51 kilonewton. Everyone do the calculation. Is this correct?